Hi everybody, nice to see you back on my channel. First of all, I wish you all the best in 2018. And of course, welcome. It's the first video that I show you guys in the month of January. And I'm so excited because I just playing with a lot of colors today. And the color is look like summer yet, but you can wear every color which time you want and on which month you want. Okay, so I want to thank you guys for all the subscribe and all the likes and all the great comments in 2017. Let's level up, and in today's video I'm gonna show you this look. I create this eyeshadow with the palette from NYX from the Ultimate. And yes, if you're new on my channel, please subscribe so you can watch all the videos in 2018 that I will show you guys. And of course, don't forget the thumbs up. Let's go! I'll begin with put on the concealer, and I use the HD Studio Photogenic, and this color is Caramel from the NYX. Next, I'll continue with blend out my concealer, and this time I use a funny sponge that I buy on the drugstore. It makes sure that your hands won't get dirty. I don't like that my eyeshadow cracks, so before I use the eyeshadow, I use the NC45 Pressed Powder by MAC. Then I'll continue with this beautiful palette from NYX Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette. This palette is so beautiful, and I love to beat up my eye with the lightest color and then turn into the darkest one in the corner of my eyes like I used to. And it's too bad that the palette is so beautiful but they have no name, so I can name all the color for you guys, but enjoy what you see. I want to clear this color a little bit more, so I use the Brume Fixante by MAC. Then I continue with put on my lashes. This time I use the Smokey Eyes Volume Lashes. This is from CATRICE from the drugstore, and this lashes is so beautiful because it gives my eyes in the outer corner a volume look, and that's why I love it. It's one to buy, it's not so expensive, so try it out. Because of my crazy skin, I love to use the Shine Killer. It became my best friend ever. It's from the NYX, and it makes my whole foundation stay flawless the whole day. Next, I'll continue with the Total Control Drop Foundation Caramel. This is also from the NYX, and honestly I must say that I use more than I need. Yes, you don't need a lot of drop of this because it's very it covered very well. So yes, as you know from me, I love to use my brush and then I will blend it in with the sponge. Contouring my face, I use a mineral stick foundation color Rich Riche for certain places on my face. Then I continue with blend out the foundation with this brush. Don't mind if I didn't say no name of the brushes that I use today in this video, because in the description here down below I will name all the product that I use on my face and also the brushes. Then I continue with the banana powder from Luxury but 9. I use this for set in my concealer and it makes it more flawless. Now I'm let the banana powder doing his work and I'll continue with the same palette that I used before from the NYX for beat up here down below my eye. Guys, have you noticed that I didn't use any eyeliner today? Whoa, and it still looks flawless, doesn't it? Next, I will swipe off the banana powder and I'll continue with the contouring my face. And I'll use the matte bronzer powder from the NYX. And this is so lovely for contour my face. It's a dark tan color. And then I continue with Arctic Holiday Baked Blush number 02 Dreaming Coral blush powder, and this powder is so beautiful. I use this brush also for highlight and also for blush, so yes, it's very pretty. It is from the KIKO Milano. Next I continue with a lips and I use this beautiful lipstick also from KIKO Milano number 11. And I continue with the Kiss Balm lip balm also from KIKO Milano for a little more shine. Next, for pimp up my lashes a little bit more, I use the False Lashes Waterproof by MAC, and this number is A57.
For the finishing touch, I use this spray. It's from the Glow Life Cosmetics. It's a 2-in-1 spray. It sets up your foundation and also make your look flawless with a nice glow on it. So guys, this was my makeup look for today, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video as much I did, and I hope this video it was not so difficult at all and it's more easier it's more easier for you guys. I hope you did like this video, and don't forget to thumbs up or subscribe, and yes, till next video. Thank you. Bye bye.